Hi there, everybody. I'm here to show you one of my new favorite products by Arnco Blue. This is going to be the Hypersonic Heat Styling Spray. And the reason I like this so much is because this is the ultimate lightweight spray that is good for up to 450 degrees of direct heat. So this is something that I really like to add to my extensions and my hair prior to using any hot tools whatsoever, whether that be a curling iron or a flat iron. This isn't something that is designed for wet hair. This is specific to adding heat on top of dry hair. I'm gonna go ahead and clip away the very top of my head with a cheap $1 clip. And as you see, as I'm curling this, I am curling this in alternating directions. One forward, one back, one forward, one back, around my whole head. And what this is going to do is create some really pretty beach waves that just kind of fight themselves a little bit, giving you a little bit more of that piecier, messier effect. You can also see that I'm not curling my hair all the way down to the tips. I kind of prevent that over promi effect with my curl. So I sped through the rest of that curl, and now I'm going to finish this off with the Daily Forecast Finishing Spray. This is an ultra lightweight anti-humidity hairspray that's not only going to help my curls stay, but in this weather in August in Chicago, it just keeps me from getting ultimately very, very frizzy, and it leaves me shiny, healthy, touchable with these soft, beachy waves. And there's the completed look. There you have it. I hope you guys like that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.